Let's check back in once again with our meteorologist Angelica Campos and this oppressive heat wave that's happening right now. You saw the kids trying to get around at some point. It is hot out there, Angelica.
It's tough. It's tough for a lot of people, especially for anyone working outside, for all the businesses trying to make it, moving everything outdoors as well. But this week is going to continue to be really tough, and it's going to take a while before we actually see a cool down. Most likely, it'll be late this week, Friday into Saturday. But in the meantime, hot days, warm nights will continue. The humidity is high, making it feel uncomfortable and potentially triggering thunderstorms this week, especially in our mountains. Our excessive heat will continue through Thursday. So here's what we're looking at right now. Temperatures in the upper 90s in Ramona, 95 in Julian, 96 in Escondido, although records for today in that specific area, it's actually over 100 degrees, so it doesn't look like we're breaking any records. We did break it in Borrego Springs and also in Campo. The record for today, 103 there, and it is 106 currently. The dew points are in the upper 60s and low 70s. So yes, it's going to be very mild tonight. And with those numbers in place, it's just uncomfortable. Even as temperatures drop a little bit at the coast, just not enough. As we look at the satellite and radar, you can see some of that moisture streaming into the county. That monsoonal flow is going to keep that potential for thunderstorms. And there it is, our excessive heat warning until 10 p.m. on Thursday. For the next 3 days, 80s at the coast, upper 90s inland, with a possibility for a few places making it over 100 degrees tomorrow, including places like Ramona that could make it over 100 degrees. The winds also gusting out of the west, averaging 15 to over 20 miles per hour. The winds have turned a little bit in places like Borrego and Julian, but for the rest of the county, it is just a steady westerly flow. That onshore flow will bring clouds back tonight, patchy fog for coastal communities, and it'll keep temperatures in the mid-70s overnight. So if you're hoping for a break, I just wish I could give you one, but not anytime soon. Inland, dropping down to 74 degrees with 80s even at 8 and 9 o'clock in the evening. In our next 7 days, temperatures will stay in the low 80s, and we promised, or at least I just hinted at the potential for temperatures improving over the weekend. Low 80s Saturday and Sunday, so the heat will continue. This is definitely the longest heat wave we've experienced so far this summer, and I'm gonna guess most people were not ready for it. 94 degrees tomorrow in our mountains with isolated thunderstorms, plenty of sunshine mixed in there, but again, isolated thunderstorms looking at our best chance during the afternoon tomorrow. In the deserts, 116 with 115 on Wednesday and hovering close to 116 again Thursday and Friday. We drop only a couple of degrees here, so it's not a huge drop in temperatures, not a huge change anytime soon. It's just going to stay hot and humid for the rest of the week, keeping it very tropical in San Diego County.